Hello guys, you use smartphone OnePlus Nord. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory in the blue marble color. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Device made of glass and plastic. On the back side quad camera LED, on the front side display 6.4 inch, on the Z side power key, on this side volume keys, on this side power key and smart key, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and a slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Device without headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. Display 19 Hz support. Okay, this AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, this octa-core processor, 6 plus 1 plus 1 cores. GPU Adreno 620, resolution, display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results. Okay, look on Toto test results and run demonic games. Antutu benchmark results, open GTA San Andreas, demonic game, look how GTA San Andreas work on the max graphic level. Okay, it's max graphic level and game works without problems. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera 48 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixels. Front camera, double camera, 32 plus 8 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.